Want to glow up for school but your wallet said lol? Try again. Don't worry bestie, today we're doing a full-on transformation with $0. Yup. We're using only things you already have at home. It's time to glow like the main character without spending a single rupee, dollar, coin, nothing. Let's do this. The face refresh, ice facial. Grab an ice cube and rub it gently on your face for an instant glow, smaller pores and that snatched look. It helps reduce puffiness and wakes your skin up like a double shot of espresso. Do this before makeup or sunscreen. It helps products sit better and last longer. Cucumber ID Puff. If you have cucumber, boom, instant under eye spa. Don't have cucumber? Use cold tea bags. It cools tired eyes and reduces dark circles if you were up binge watching shows. Pop them in the fridge for 10 minutes before use. Extra chill equals extra magic. DIY glow mask. Mix 1 spoon of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, and a little honey with water or milk to make a thick paste. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes. It brightens, softens, and gives your skin that natural glow. Turmeric fights acne, besan clears dead skin, and honey keeps it hydrated and happy. Rinse it off gently in circular motions. You'll feel like you just walked out of a spa. DIY scrub. Sugar plus a little oil equals lip and face scrub. Bye-bye dull skin. Exfoliates dead skin and leaves your lips and cheeks smooth like butter. Massage gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse off. Hair care that costs nothing. Egg hair mask. Crack 1 egg. Mix it with yogurt or oil if available. Apply for 20 minutes equals shiny, nourished hair. Protein-rich egg strengthens hair strands and reduces breakage. Use a shower cap or plastic bag to avoid dripping everywhere. Cold rinse trick. Final rinse with cold water after shampooing equals instant shine. It seals your hair cuticles, making your hair look smoother and healthier. Also helps reduce frizz, especially if you're skipping conditioner. Toothbrush flyaway fix. Spray a bit of water or aloe vera gel on an old toothbrush and use it to slick down flyaways. Gives you that clean, polished hairline, no crunchy gel needed. Perfect for sleek ponytails or neat braids on school mornings. Grooming glow up. Eyebrow grooming. Use a tweezer or even a clean thread to shape your brows a bit. Don't overpluck, just clean the extras. Brush them with a spoolie and use a bit of aloe gel or soap for hold. Neat brows frame your face and make you look extra put together without makeup. Clean nails, always. Soak your nails in warm water with a pinch of salt and a drop of dish soap for 5–10 minutes. Use a soft brush or old toothbrush to clean under and around your nails. Trim and file them neatly. Even short nails look amazing when they're clean and shaped. Nail paint pop. Dig up any old nail polish you have, even clear gloss works wonders. Paint just 1 coat if you're in a rush. Fresh polish instantly upgrades your look. Mix 2 colors for a fun DIY shade if your polish is old or half empty. DIY waxing or hair removal. Make a paste using sugar plus lemon juice plus water. Heat it on the stove until sticky. Let it cool, then apply on small sections and pull off using cloth strips. It's natural, effective, and you're using ingredients already in your kitchen. And remember, grooming doesn't mean perfection, it means you care for yourself like the queen you are. Whether it's brows or baby hairs, you're glowing because you showed up for you. Clothes glow up without buying anything. Style isn't what you wear, it's how you wear it. Iron your clothes. Seriously, just ironing your clothes can upgrade your whole look. No wrinkles, no laziness vibe. Even a basic outfit looks 10x better when it's smooth and crisp. You'll instantly look cleaner, smarter, and more confident. Trust me, people notice. Flip it and style it. Borrow something from a sibling. Try a new combo. Roll your sleeves, not your tee. It refreshes your closet without buying a thing. Try layering, tucking, or even wearing something backwards for a cool twist. Accessories. Hack. A safety pin plus old chain equals a DIY charm brooch. Use hair ties or ribbons to spice up your outfit. Old belts, bag charms, or even shoelaces can become fashion statements. It's all about how you wear it, not what label it has. Free glow up hacks. Use rose water or chilled water as face mist. Spritz rose water on your face anytime for a fresh, dewy glow. No rose water? Chill some water with mint leaves and splash it on instant refresh. It tightens pores, sets makeup, and gives you that I woke up glowing look. Sleep with a loose braid or silk cloth on pillow. Prevents hair breakage and frizz while you sleep. Keeps your hair neat and tangle-free for that morning I didn't even try look. Bonus. Wake up with soft waves, no heat needed. Smell good trick perfume hack. Spray perfume on your hairbrush or hair tie before using it. It'll make your hair smell great even if you skipped wash day. Also works with a dab of essential oil on your scarf or sleeves. Highlight with lip balm. Dab some on your cheekbones, nose bridge, and lips for a natural highlight. Gives you that glassy skin shine without any makeup products. You can even mix it with a little eyeshadow for tinted glow. DIY hydrating toner for oily skin. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Dab it on with a cotton pad. It balances oil, fights acne, and makes your skin smoother over time. Use only at night and moisturize after. Style with what you have. Turn a scarf into a headband, belt, or even a cute bag accessory. Reuse old jewelry pieces for backpack charms or zip pulls. Even a hair clip can upgrade a plain outfit if used creatively. Voice glow up hack. Practice speaking clearly in front of a mirror for 2 minutes a day. Confidence in your voice equals instant upgrade in how people perceive you. Add a smile when you talk, it shows in your tone. Vaseline glow trick. Mix a little highlighter powder or shimmery eyeshadow with Vaseline. Apply on collarbones, shoulders, and cheeks for a subtle glow. Perfect for school parties or pics. Shimmer but natural. The smell good glow up. If you smell good, you feel good. T-shirt perfume hack. Spray perfume on your inner shirt or make a quick DIY body spray using water plus a bit of essential oil or lemon juice. The scent lasts longer on clothes than on skin. Underarm freshener. No deodorant? Mix a pinch of baking soda with water, apply lightly. It neutralizes odor magic. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe. It works better than you'd expect. Add a little lemon juice if you want to smell extra fresh, but skip if you just shaved. Mental glow up because confidence equals cute. This is your sign to romanticize school. Affirmation post-it. Stick a note on your mirror that says you look good today and believe it. Seeing positivity daily shifts your mindset. Soon you'll walk in like you own the hallway because you do. 2-minute breath reset. Close eyes, deep breath, posture check. You're calm, glowing, and unstoppable. Just 2 minutes can change your energy for the entire day. Try it before leaving for school or before a test. To-do glow list. Write 3 things you love about yourself. This is a glow up for the soul. Can be physical, emotional, or just something you're proud of. Loving yourself is the most underrated and free glow up ever.